Huh? How come there's no lollipops? I think we have to make a balloon one. Please look at me. Clap, action!
Today we'll be using a 260 yellow balloon, but you can pick any other color you want. Start by pumping up the balloon and leaving a 12 cm tail. Start with one pinch twist, then another pinch twist, then two 6 cm bubbles, and fold them together and tie it back to the pinch twist. Now using the longer tail, wrap it around the two 6 cm bubbles and squeeze out some air to make sure it's soft enough to do so. Now wrap it back around on the two pinch twists. Now once again, squeeze out the air a little bit and wrap it around on the outer edge once again. Then tie it back to the two pinch twists that you started off with. Now with the remaining bit, you can use it to make the lollipop stick. With the end bit, you can either just leave it or tie a knot and cut it off. And now it's all done!
Well, I have a balloon lollipop. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.